I don't know how other moms do it. I don't know how I can do this. Okay. My gosh. Na stress na ako, napapagod na ako. Oh my gosh, look at my skin. I'm not sure kung kita, but I can see it from here. My skin is breaking out. It's so sensitive. It's so hapde. Pero parang ang red ng lips ko ngayon. And shiny pala yung hair ko. Gusto ko sana magreklamo. Look at that. Ayoko ng mga ganyan. Magreklamo sana ako. And maglalabas ng saloobin. But looks like it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I still look pretty. I have new clothes. I mean, hindi naman new, but somehow, kasi it's for working out, and I have this space, I have this camera, parang, ka magreklamo. Pero yun nga, I think it's just because I'm in my luteal phase. And Christmas rush. I think moms can relate to this, but these are what you don't see on social media. Okay? Alam niyo ba kung nasan ako nakatayo ngayon? Dapat kasi naglalakad ako eh. Dito. Yan. That's my walking pad. Or habang nagsasalita kaya, mag-ano ako, no? Maglakad ako. Ito ko ito lalagay. Which which reminds me, okay, I'm using right now the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I love this camera. It's been with me for a while now, and I bought this for myself because I really, really want to do vlogging. I love taking videos. I love vlogging and making contents. Pero ang hirap nito, girl, kasi alam mo yun yung gimbal niya, ganyan-ganyan. So you have to be really, really careful. In other words, kailangan siyang i-baby, okay? Mas kailangan pa siyang i-baby kaysa sa akin. I mean, eto, pag nasa car, I can't hand it to my son, or minsan tina-tripod ko, pero it's dangerous kasi syempre baka tumumba tapos yung gimbal niya, yung leeg niya, ma-damage na. And basta it's just so hard. But I already have my but I'm so excited because I already have my Insta360. Wait. Gusto ko ito lalagay kasi naman sa may tripod ko. I didn't plan to video today, pero parang kailangan ko ng kausap. Wait. Suot natin. I'm sorry you can see all the kalat behind me. I don't usually wanna sama sa video yung mga kalat. I mean, bago ako mag-press ng record, titignan ko talaga yung likod ko kung makalat kasi, ewan ko, it matters to me. Ayokong nakikitang makalat. But the way you see in the videos, hindi laging ganun yung bahay ko. But it just stresses me out whenever I see na, yan lang kalat naman likod ko. Yung mga ganun. So I don't wanna do that. Anyway, I have this na. I have my Insta360 Go Ultra, and I'm super, super excited to unbox this. It's been with me for 2 weeks na ata. Yeah, I think 2 weeks na. But hindi ko siya ma-open because sobrang daming ginagawa, and I don't wanna open it na bad mood ako or hindi ako nag-e-enjoy. Baliktad nga kasi ako eh. Some people, they wanna open their gifts to make themselves feel good. Ako baliktad, I don't know why, but I don't wanna open something na hindi ako good mood. Or like, alam mo yun? Maybe because also I don't wanna be dependent on something to make me happy, on physical things to make me happy. So I wanna like regulate myself first or do what I have to do. Tapos parang dinedelay ko, parang reward siya sa akin. So, yay! I'm excited for this. Tapos, kompleto na rin ako ng accessories. I got the creator bundle. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Tapos, maya meron pang ano dyan. And then I got the pivot stand. I'm not sure kung meron na nito sa creator bundle, but I got this. This one, ayan, pwede siya sa salamin ng car, pwede rin siya sa guitar. I don't have one, but you get it. Pwede siya sa wood or glass. Yan, para kita niyo. And then I also got this silicone case that's pink. Kasi ang dami kong mga nakitang cute na mga reviews about their Go Ultra na naka-pink. Actually, white and pink yung sa kanila. Because I find it cute. But now that I have it, I remember na I also bought my Osmo, I think, a pink case, but I never really used it because pagka I'm wearing something else na I feel like hindi siya bagay, parang, oh, I don't wanna use it. Ganon. I don't know how it's gonna be with this kasi it's so tiny and I'll probably be bringing it more and sticking it everywhere. So, baka magasgas siya. Kaya, ewan ko if I'll be able to make really good use of this one. But, yeah, ito siya. Ang cute. I can already imagine how small the camera is gonna be. Kasi itong box pa lang, oh, ang liit. Ibig sabihin, mas maliit yung camera. So, there. And then I also have, oh my gosh, this lens guard. This is the second one that we bought. Spike's so nice that he bought me another one. I mean, even though we already bought the first one, but I kind of lost it. I don't know kung may nakatapon dito, pero ang mahal din niya pala. 1,290 tapos nawala. Anyway, if I find it naman, I can still use it. Ang init, di ako nag-aircon. So, this one is for the lens. Yeah, just a lens guard. Kasi syempre, yun nga, lagi nasa bag ko. Eh, ako, I'm not very, maingat sa mga gamit sa bag. Minsan, lagay lang. Tapos pag uwi, sa ako mag-aayos. Minsan, ganun kasi. So, yeah, we have that. That's the second one that I got. Kaloka. And, oh my gosh, just yesterday we got this DJI mic mini. I already have this mic too, I think. DJI mic too. And I think I love the DJI mics. But this one, of course, I'll be using with the Insta360, and syempre not lang for it. I believe we can also use this for the phones. And I think that's going to be cool kasi minsan pagka nagvi-video kami nasa phone lang. But these mics that I have with the Osmo Pocket 3, hindi naman namin sila magamit sa phone because walang transmitter. Tama ba yung tawag ko? Not sure. But yes, I'm super, super excited to unbox this also. And yan, ito yung mga Christmas gifts sa akin ni Spike. Well, ako kasi, I bought him a gold necklace, yung matagal na matagal niya nang gusto. I think like 1 or 2 years niya na yun gusto. Before ko pa naman, gusto yun ibili sa kanya, but ba't nga ba hindi natutuloy? But yeah, I think with everything na ginawa niya this year, yung growth niya, and also, yeah, how hard he works, I think he really deserves it. So, yeah, I got him the necklace that he always wanted. Tapos, nainggit ako, binalan ko rin yung sarili ko. But I bought myself, syempre, yung manipis lang for my Orgonite na nasa kanya ngayon kasi I gave it to him when I went to the gym. Tapos, hindi ko na siya nabalik. I always forget to get it. I asked him, nasa ba yung necklace ko? Nasa kanya na. But I never really got to get it back. And backstory, I usually buy all of my gadgets sa sarili kong pera. I buy my own gadgets. I spend on my own things, lalo na kapag ka mga wants. And, pwede ba ito i-zoom? Kasi nandito ako sa background ko. Ang cool. Ang kalat eh. Paano ba itong ano? Oh my God. Can you hear Z? He's calling me. Damn. Wait lang. Zerio! Zerio! What? Yes, baby. I'm coming down, okay? Love you! Buti naman hindi niya ako pinababa. But anyway, ayun nga, eh, usually pagka mga wants ko talaga, wait, maingay. Ay, shit. Usually talaga pag mga wants ko, I buy them for myself. Maybe because nasanay ako na, yun nga, naging breadwinner din ako ng family ko. And I help my mom raise our family and go through all that. So, parang nandun yung strong independent woman na parang, kaya ko to. I can do this, yung mga ganyan. And this year, I think one of the things na na-improve ko sa sarili ko is that I worked on that. I worked on allowing people to take care of me, to care for me. Oh, sorry. Shucks. Yun, I allowed more of that in my life. And, pero eto rin kasi, yung Osmo Pocket 3, what I'm using right now, as in, mas gamit niya na sa akin. Mas marami na rin siyang videos na nagawa with this camera. Kaya, ako, even though I say na I'm allowing him to take care of me more, like more people to take care of me. Pero, parang, meron pa rin akong valid reason eh. Dapat kasi parang, you just really allow. Pero, wait lang.
Kunin lang namin yung file kagabi. Tapos bibili na ako ng memory card ko.
Hiramin mo yung camera? I'm not lying, guys. Sakto yung pinag-usapan natin. Kukunin daw na yung camera ko ngayon. Siguro mga, kinukwento ko sa kanila, binavalidate ko kung bakit, hindi, kung bakit meron akong Insta360, but, okay, sige.
Sponsored by S5S. Sige, banggitin mo nga.
Ay, sinabi ko naman na bigay mo, pero, kasi mas bugbog mo na yung camera ko.
Damihan. Okay na yan.
Bakit?
Okay na. Dami mo na
Ito
sinabi
naman
sa
eh.
akin. Okay.
Okay, sige na, bye.
Tawagan mo ka pag kukunin na yung card.
Sige na, okay na. Kulit? Kulit. Okay, kasi we just got in a call kanina, tapos pinagsabihan ko siya. Sabi ko, please lang, not feeling well today. Look at me, I'm swollen, but I'm still pretty. I have sipon, my nose is stuffy, it's runny. Tapos, I'm in my luteal phase, and I'm so tired, so many things to do, please. I know you just wanna connect, I know you wanna update me with everything, pero nasa stress ako with all the updates kasi parang ang daming problema. But, yeah, going back, ayun na nga, mas gamit niya na to. Like, every day, he asks me, kaya sabihin ko, I'll stay here muna sa bahay muna namin. Dami kong kailangan gawin dito. Kasi si Spike, he likes to take me always with him kung nasan siya. As in, sabihin niya sa akin na, you wanted a van before kasi sabi mo para lagi na kitang makakasama. Sabi ko, may sinabi ba ako ganun? Parang wala naman akong sinabing ganun. But, yun nga, I think it's because gusto nga niya. Ang sinasabi ko kasi, dream ko talaga magkaroon ng van for the family kasi gusto ko laging kasama yung mga bata. Sa akin naman ganun. parang I wanna take them with me anywhere, everywhere, ganun. So, yeah, going back, ayan na nga. So, parang sinabi ko sa kanya, I want a camera. Um, I think I can use it a lot kasi sa vlogging ko and everything, especially I usually vlog on my own when I'm at the gym, ganyan. And I think he saw me how I use my Osmo Pocket 3 when I go to the gym. Medyo hassle talaga siya kasi ipapatong ko diyan tapos i-a-angle kong gano'n, eh, ang bagal pa naman. Sorry, I love you, okay, pero, may sarili-sarili silang uses and sa pagiging, um, easy to use parang medyo hindi. Parang with the Osmo Pocket 3 kailangan dito yung mga hindi ka nagmamadali, yung mga ganyan. You should have time to set it up for a little bit kasi sometimes yung gimbal niya parang hindi siya maayos or sometimes biglang pagbukas mo ano siya, what do you call this? Tracking. Minsan naka-tracking siya. Ayos, double tap na naman. Eh, with, um, with the Insta, parang it looks like it's easier to use. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but I think I watched enough videos to say that I'm excited. I'm excited to use it. But ayun na nga. Pero I still hope na magkaroon na siya ng sarili niyang Osmo. Osmo Pocket 3 or pag may lumabas na bago, yun papabili ko sa kanya 'to. Kasi sabi ko, grabe sa dami ng videos na nagawa mo and with all the sales that you've made, with this Osmo Pocket 3, I think I really, really deserve a new camera besides yun nga nagagawan kami. Yeah, so I'm excited to open that and, actually I went up here to make a video about the reality of how it is to be me, a mom with ADHD who always like, nakailang like na ako, naiinis ako, who always parang, buffering. Hindi, ganito kasi yun. I'm careful with my words because I don't wanna, I know words are spells and they're powerful, pero I tend to be hard on myself din kasi a lot of times and minsan it gives me so much fatigue yung pag-iisip ko pa lang. Pero ayan, when I start talking naman and I like what I'm talking about, parang hindi na ako tumitigil. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so excited because actually so many things have happened already since the last time I made a video. And I think mas kailangan ko muna kayong i-update doon because, why ba? Siyempre kasi sobrang dami talaga nangyari this year, this 2025. And so much growth, so much work, so much shadow work, inner work, actually mas ganon. But also, I feel like every now and then naman may binibigay na rewards and blessings si God na mga beyond my expectations. So let's start with the first thing that really pops in my head when I think about one of the best things that happened this year is the expansion of S5S Auto Hub. So happy kasi I think in 2022, nilagay ko yun sa wishlist ko and si Sasha yung nagpakita sa akin noon ng screenshot when we were already working on the soft launching. Pinakita niya sa akin yung screenshot nung nilista niyang sa wish list ko. And a lot of them are still like the same. Or sabi ko, I want gym clothes. Wait, 2022 was, yeah, kakapanganak ko lang kay Z noon kasi January siya. Pero, mga ilang months na siya. Kasi nung 6 months or 7th month ko, I started working out. Is that Z? Tinatawag na ako ng anak ko. So yun, nakuha ko yun. Wish ko na yun this year. And, ay, grabe, kukwento ko yun sa inyo. That's for another video. But, sa ngayon, ang gusto ko nga talagang ipakita is, ewan ko kung paano ko ito magagawa lahat. Actually, I don't wanna give the camera to Spike kasi gusto ko talagang i-vlog tong mga to. But, papakita ko sa inyo. Okay. This room, ito lang ata yung okay na space dito sa bahay namin. Ngayon, because everything is like, this hallway, sobrang kalat. We have laundry na hindi pa nadadala. Oh my gosh. Nakikita ko pa na stress na ako. And, oh my God. It's December. Wait, what is it? 18. Kasi 19 tomorrow. It's December 18. And look at our Christmas tree. Wala pang star, walang lights, wala anything, but hold on. Are you pooping, love? You're sitting long? I love this episode. Okay. So, ngayon ang Christmas tree. And we only set this up like few days ago. Few days ago, I think. Oh, wow. Ang ganda pala talaga ng camera ng Osmo Pocket 3. So, ganyan. It's not supposed to be like that. Kakabili lang namin the other day ng mga ilalagay. I think our theme for this year is going to be, I'm not sure if it's final yet, but Spike wanted like white, gold, silver. So, I'm going with that. And I'm fine naman with that. Pero, one of the things that, ang dami kong tripod, pero nasa na sila? One of the things that I'm really, really proud of is, yan, ayos ko na yung mga gifts. And, lagay nga natin to dito sa hair ko. Oh my gosh, malalobat na ako. Ito pa tong mga to. Si Obid kasi yung aming videographer. Hindi sila lagi niya lang ginagamit yung camera, pero parang hindi yata sila nag-charge. Ayan, guys. I'm so happy about this. So, nilayout ko yung mga yan. Wow, kinanva lang naman. Pero, it still takes, some work. Ito, it's me and Spike for yung mga gifts namin for the kids. Tapos, yung gifts naman namin, hold on. Gifts namin for the family, like this one's for our pamangkin. It's the family collage. So, speaking of our photos, I hope you're not too distracted with the background, but I'm so excited about the studio, Mishan Studios. Yes, that's one of the things that we are blessed with this year. I mean, nothing really special, actually. Hindi pa naman kami like super duper booked for this year. Kasi in-announce ko lang siya mid of December ba? Hindi naman mid. Basta sometime December, I announced it. And biglaan lang siya because I really just wanted to have a studio where I could film my talking videos and where I can film and like start my coaching. Okay, because I'm a certified life purpose and soul purpose and life coach. Yun. So I still have, say hi. I still have, I still have mga things that I have to pack over here para naman, sorry, yung ilong ko talaga barado eh. I find that the audio kasi is really nice when malapit siya sa bibig. Pero, dyan naman na siya. And then I still have a couple of, buti na lang iba naka-paper bag na. Lalagyan ko lang ng sticker pero stapler ko na lang. Parang medyo mahirap pag naka-tape siya. More labor. Tapos may mga kailangan akong i-gift wrap. And also another thing that's challenging to me is that, let me, oh my gosh, alam niyo ba, wala akong panlasa ngayon. Pero, I'm trying to eat healthy. I'll just move here because it's too loud eh. Okay? Can you lower the volume? Okay. Okay. Oh! So, one of the things rin kasi na inaayos ko today is, ang ganda pala na bahay namin. Hindi ko alam if expired na to kasi, or ganito talaga lasa na. Yes, love.
May what the sound button?
Volume, yeah. See that? Okay, love you. Hindi ko alam if ganito talaga yung lasa niya kasi, di ba, this is supposed to be refrigerated once binili. Actually, di ba? Kasi binibili natin siya nasa chiller sa grocery, di ba? Oh, good luck to my tummy. But, for ilang days, after na nabili namin, nakita ko nandun lang siya sa bar namin. Hindi naka-ref. So, ewan ko ba? Ewan ko kung ganito dapat yung lasa niya or what, pero sayang kasi. I'm not sure kung ano ba yung binili ko.
Mami, ayun na.
Mukhang, sana hindi. Thank you, babe. Tapos, yun nga, ang dami ko pang gustong gawin talaga sa bahay. Yan. I want to have a carpet kasi parang mukhang kawawa yung sala namin. Wait lang ah. I mean, for me lang ah. Kasi, bakit ba? Ewan ko, parang may kulang eh. Usually kasi, meron akong carpet sa studio. Tapos, pagka may mga gatherings or I know na magtatambay kami dun sa sala, kukunin ko yun. That same set of carpets that I have in my studio. Pansin nyo kanina, wala nang carpet dun. No, Zizi! Don't do that, babe! You have to say no, Zizi. Bantayan yung anak ko, nandyan lang siya. Ang sabi ko? Yun, yung same carpet na yun, yun din yung ginamit namin sa setup. Oh. Not slide? Why are you talking like a baby right now?
Mama, I want to slide.
Okay, sige. Ginamit namin sa studio, so wala akong mga carpets. By the way, Zeria and I, we've been really, really loving Mark Rober's series dito sa ano. Dito sa... Ay! It's wet! What in the freaking world, my love? It's dripping! You have to turn off the aircon. Oh God. Shucks. Tumutulo yung aircon. Turn off the aircon. It's dripping. Wait. Andrea? Patulong naman dahil tumutulo dito yung aircon. Kuha ka ng pamunas tsaka... Ay, ay, ay. Balde. Do you want slide or the climber? See.
Slide.
Climber na lang. Tas punas, day, ha? Wala ang trapo. Oh my God. Ay. Oh my goodness. I mean, something wrong kasi with how we positioned the aircon. Yung split type na aircon doon sa likod. So, lagi yung nangyayari. Oh my God, diba nag-acid sikmura ako ah? Wait. Okay. Goodness. Real life challenges. So this is where I print and do the preparation. This is where I prepare for yung mga gifts. I remember before dito ako nag-set up ng parang mini office ko, no? Ayan, ito yung mga cards. I need to print some more. I printed with my Canon G7070. I think okay naman siya. Yeah, but it would be nicer kung parang photo paper quality. But this one is thicker. Kasi nga, less work. Okay? Hindi na ako magtatanggal ng tape. Ang problem ko, sa ibang paper, umaangat siya. Hindi siya masyadong makapit. So, nandun na ata yung mga, nilagay ko na ata dun yung mga for our friends and relatives. But I still have to print something for our staffs. Our staff. Ay, ito pala yun. Ito na lang yung meron. And I have to print some more. We also need to buy some more paper bags because yung mga damit-damit, hindi naman kailangan i-box pa yun or it will take so much of my time if gagawa ako ng mga ano nila. Although I did some for the other gifts na mga toys, yung gagawin mo siyang paper bag like, ano man tawag doon? I remember kasi how my mom used to make them. I always watch her make them. And dati, nagbebenta kami ng ganun sa school. Aside from mga stationery, nagbebenta kami ng mga ganun. And our teachers, our classmates, they buy. So, medyo naalala ko rin paano siya gawin. But, I have to really be intentional with my time and my energy where I put my energy into, especially that I am a mom and oh my goodness, am I saying this correctly? May nahuhulog sa likod ng monitor ni Spike. Oh dear! Hala. Zizi, wait. Can you call your dad? Tell him something is falling off. What in the freakazoid? What in the world? Oh no! Ano ba to? Ano ba nangyayari sa bahay namin? It's falling apart. Oh shoot! What the heck? I didn't ruin this, okay?
Mommy, let's Papa's number call.
No, you have to call there sa CCTV. Ah, my goodness. Ano mga nangyayari sa bahay? There's really so much work that we have to do dito sa bahay. I think I should stop talking to you guys and start ano na lang. What are the things that I have to do? Sige, anak, never mind. Okay, wait lang.
CCTV na hulog sa bato.
Galing ni Z. Ang galing ni ang galing ni Zerio. Yung nasa likod ng ano mo, ng monitor mo, Yung, ano ba yon? Para siyang DVD player. Nahulog siya, nakita ko nahuhulog siya. Tapos, in-assist ko siyang tumungkod na lang with a bakal there.
Meron yung karton lang sa brown. Okay na muna yun. Huwag na muna gawin kasi pag nagalaw siya, mapuputol lahat. Pati garahe, pati siya.
Yeah, I know. I'm just telling you kasi baka may kailangan kang tawagan to fix it.
Easy yan nakakita.
No, I told him to call you. Cute.
Galing.
Ay, na-communicate niya na maayos. Galing.
Tingin mo siya.
And Mama's videoing.
Lagyan mo pa pag pwede yung memory card pala, patakbuhin ko na.
Alin?
Si Ubi pumasok na dito.
What?
Yung memory card ba o DTI?
O, ginagamit ko pa eh.
Mommy, slides.
Sabihan mo ako si Dina. Kukunin lang ni Ubi extract lang niya para may edit yan.
I want slide.
Okay, bye-bye.
I-shift na dito na. Mamayang gabi na kukunin yung
I want
karton.
slide.
Mamayang gabi kukunin niyo. Okay.
I want
Mamayang gabi na kukunin yung karton kasi bukas 19 may shoot na, di ba? May credits sa kabila.
Apa.
Tapos 19 na bukas, tapos 20 na. So, mamaya ng gabi, magpahupa lang na truck.
Is it too high? Lower?
Hello?
Okay po.
Hello?
Okay.
Tapusin nyo na kung ano kailangan tapusin dyan para mamaya dire-diretso, ha? Okay, lang.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mali. It's too high. It's too high. You have to put it lower. Ang bilis ng hulog mo. Yan. I think that's perfect. Try it. Oh, better? Okay. Be safe, ha? Don't do any exhibition, okay? Okay? I'll turn on the other aircon. Ayan, narinig nyo. Gusto sana mag-vlog eh. Pero, it's just a sign na i-open ko na yung Insta360. Hold on. Let me just gather my thoughts and everything. Okay, ano mga gagawin ko? Gusto ko sanang i-film kasi na ano yun, nagpapack ako, yung mga ginagawa ko para ano ba yan? Ito, mas maganda yung background. Ayan, yun sana yung gusto kong gawin. I wanna film how I prepare for this, and also I'm making a vlog about this event that I'm hosting. Well, it's a Christmas party sa amin ng mga friends ko. I think that's Kuya. Wait, let me see. Tapos, hindi ba ako mag-host because we're really planning.
Mommy.
Oh no, it's delivery. No. Andrea? Sisi, no. Pa-check sa labas, please. Ouchie. Asan ba ako? Chaotic, but blessed day. Yun, so yung mga games and activities, ako ang magpa-plan. I'm also practicing this thing wherein hindi ako parang laging mag-volunteer for something when hindi naman ako kailangan. Because, yun nga, this year I'm working on choosing where I put my energy into. Asan yung my... I don't know. But, yun, nakita ko na walang makaya as of now to be in charge doon. But that's something that I have fun doing and I love doing. I did one for Zelio's birthday, and parang as a bata pa lang ako, always organize yung mga ganun sa family namin. And, edi syempre, lalo pa ngayon that, I mean, with all the experiences that I've had, ano kaya nangyayari? I think I should stop eating this kasi nag-acid ako. So, ayun. I just have to check. Okay. Iniwan na, Day? Ah, okay. Ito pala yung ballpen ko. Tama, di ba? Doon mo nilagay. Bakit Spike San Pedro to? San Pedro. Tapos, sabi mo yung Gcash na lang, i-message na lang nila si Spike. Ito iwan mo dun sa table, kailangan ko yun. Okay na pala. Delivery lang ng tissue. Kasi minessage ko si Spike, wala nang tissue. Hindi pwedeng walang tissue dito sa bahay. I mean, oh my gosh, do you guys remember nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, kung gaano kahirap maghanap pa ng tissue? Goodness. Ako naman, ever since talaga, essential talaga sa akin. Tissue, alcohol wipes, plastic. Actually, pati yun.
Found it.
Which one?
Where it?
Huh?
Found it.
Alin? What's that?
With the popsicle.
For the what?
Blue popsicle.
Ah, blue popsicle. Okay. I'll just fix some things upstairs, Zia. Kasi your dad needs your measurement.
Mama.
Why? Did you eat rice na? Ay, dahil gumagawa ka ng noodles? Okay, okay. Dario, not too much, okay? Because pa-ouch yung tummy mo, ha? We will save it for later, okay? Do you want some cheese bites? Cheese bread? Like now? You will eat? Really? Here siya, oh. Hala. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Huwag mo nalang pagsasahig, Day, ah. Kailangan nakaangat. Ngayon. Ano yung katre? Kama? Ah, yung ano. Okay. Sige na. Get back to work. And maybe I'll just film with my other... Ay! Nga pala. Papabili na ako kay Spike ng memory card kasi wala ring memory card yung aking Insta360. Of course, love! Wala rin siyang memory card. So, di ko rin siya magagamit. Gusto ko sana siya magamit ngayon eh. Now we're back dito. So, I think ibang angle naman. So, I think that's it muna sa ngayon. I will see what else I can do and I can share with you guys. But I really want to get into vlogging already because Ewan ko, I just love doing this. We love looking back at all of these things. And I also love learning from my own videos. Now I have to go kasi 20% na lang. I have to charge this kasi kailangan nila Spike gamitin for S5S. And may mga pinapagawa siya sa akin for the shirts ng mga bata. So, I don't want to say goodbye. But, bye muna. Bye. Wait lang.
Pwede din natapos.
Alright guys, I am back to wrapping. Ang dami ko nang na-wrap. Gifts ni Colby. Dai, yung music please. Nagbi-video ko. Yung mga gifts ni Colby, yan, I wrapped them already. Kasi tuwing bumibili kami, nagmamadali kami, so, tumutunog na siya. Yung, wag dahil maingay, yung music mo ba? Kasi nagbi-video ako. What do you call this? Yun, hindi kami nakakapagparap sa mga toy stores kasi we're always in a hurry. So, I had to do them all by myself. Before kasi, I have mga helpers na pinag-wrap namin ng gifts. But, today, isa lang kasi si Andrea. So, I have to do all of these on my own. Tapos, wala pa kami nabibiling paper bag kasi, ba to?
Mami,
Si Spike gusto niya kasi bumili sa, saan ba yun? Kamuning. Eh, hindi naman natutuloy-tuloy doon. Now, I really have to do all of these things. Anyway, ang mga malalaking kailangan na lang naman. Eto. Eh, why are you doing that? This is a gift.
Oh, okay.
Ayan, I'll wrap this one na. So,
Ano?
meron kami mga exchange gifts with S5S. Meron din sa Salvosa. Meron din kami exchange gifts sa Labreza group. I'll do it na. Excuse me, please. So,
Mami, may na lang.
5 kami na lahat may exchange
May
gifts. So, lahat
nalang
yun may
po.
mga regalo.
May na lang po.
Hindi ganyan, anak eh. Dito muna, ipapasok mo muna yan. Pasok. And then,
May na lang. Ha po.
maunong ka po.
Opo.
Tape mo ulit. Wow! Thank you. Excuse me, I have to wrap na.
Oh, this?
Opo. Excuse me.
Mayroon sa sarap.
Excuse me, I need to put this under.
May tubo. There's no tubo.
Hi, Kuya. How are you? How's your party? How's your party? What did you get?
Kuya! Kuya!
You open na? Who are they?
Kuya! Kuya! Kuya!
Who are they? Sino sila?
Kuya! Kuya ko! Kuya!
Ha? Yung na-open mo How to Train Your Dragon, di ba iba-iba yun?
Kuya!
Opo, wait lang si
Sino nakuha mo?
Rumble Morning tas 2 Marches Nightmare. Pero different color naman.
Okay. Wala ka pang nag-double?
Kuya!
Wala ka pang nag-double? Sige, liligo ka na.
Kuya! 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 Kuya!
Hoy,
I'm hungry but I don't have to eat but I eat canton.
It's not, it's homemade. You can get if you want. Kuya, what did ano say with your gift? Did you hand it yourself? What did she say? Oh. Is she the one in a red dress? So, yan. Ito na. I am wrapping. this.
Mom.
Silang nipis pala nito. Saan ko nga ba ito binili? Where did I buy these? Where did I buy these wrappers? Let me think. Where did I buy these wrappers?
Christmas waffle.
Yeah. Hindi sa ano eh, hindi sa Angko. Huh.
It's Emily.
Sa Landmark ba?
No, the SM Lloyd.
Maganda sila but they're manipis. No, love, hindi naman to sa SM North. Di ba tayo nag-SM North this past 2 days?
Mommy, I saw this one. It's the SM Lloyd. Sama sa Ate Samoy.
Ha? Pero not...
I
Ewan ko
saw
ano.
that in my car. I saw 3. Mommy.
Okay, so aside from this, after this, I have to plan for the games for our company Christmas party sa S5S and for the La Breza and La Breza Christmas party and also the Salvosa Christmas party. Although sa Salvosa Christmas party, I won't be doing it naman alone. We have like a committee of people na in charge for that. So, I'm not very stressed about it. Pero, yun nga. Syempre, when there are games, there has to be prizes. Napakita ko ba yung mga nabili ko? Wala, nakalimutan ko kung napakita ko yung mga binili ko.
I'm gonna sing.
Maybe not, but I'll show you guys. Did you poop? Or fart lang? Sorry. Okay. Kuya, is that my charger? Where's your charger? Find it, kuya. Excuse me, no. Ay, babe, why? No, don't add some more. It's not... Okay, you help me dito sa part na to. Halika. I need tape dito. Oh. Not like that. Sayang. Dapat nakahiga. Okay. Okay, guys. Alam nyo na, yung mga ibang tape or ibang mga stickers, si Zeri yung nagkabit. Okay.
Where do you need another tape? Where do you need another tape? Where do you need another tape?
Later.
Huh?
Later.
Aww.
Alright, guys. I'm back. And this time, I think I'm in a better mood kasi nakakain na ako. Yeah. Ayan na. Dumami na yung mga pinak ko. Wait, it's tracking me. Dumami na yung mga pinak ko. Yung iba na sa mga eco bags. But, I have this one pa. Yung mga clothes na... Ay, shit. Yan sinasabi ko. Ang struggles dito sa DJI. Wait lang. Hanap naman ang papatungan. Sa kaya na phone stands ko. Okay, so I have mentioned that I should be already planning yung for our Christmas party with our group of friends, La Breza group. Okay, so nabuo kasi yung friendship sa Labreza. So anyway, hindi pa to everything, but I'm just excited to share what I found. I bought these online sa Shopee, but I think hello. Opo.
Tapos mama ang brand. Meron naman maganda brand Asahi. Dalawa ang bote kasama. Isa yung blender na maliit. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, kukunin mo siya, lipat mo na sa kabilang baso na may lalagyan mo na ng straw.
Ikaw na lang bahala lang kasi pang sa akin lang naman para pag kailangan ko
Surprise na lang kita, gift ko sa'yo.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, sige. Ito na lang mahal Asahi.
Love you.
Bye-bye, love you.
Okay.
Si La Chips dumaan. Akala isuswipe na, hindi pa, bawal pa naman swipe mga kinikilates.
So tapo mo lang, grabe.
Nandito sila sa tapat sa food court.
Sige, sige, bye-bye.
Nagtipid si Ishi. Dito na tayo.
Okay, bye-bye.
Nandun kasama si Julia, si Shobin.
Okay,
Bantay sa bata. Okay, bye-bye.
bye-bye. And so I bought us gifts kasi sa LB group, super dami namin doon. Nag-head count na kami for the Christmas party. I think umabot na kami ng 30. But, yeah, for everyone, yung mga, kasi kasama yung mga anak-anak na yun. We bought gifts na for mga inaanak din namin. But, usually mga couples sila. So, in this group, we love to travel. Actually, doon pala yung mic. This group, yung group namin sa LD, lahat kami, mahilig kami mag-travel. Actually, nakailang travel na sila, hindi kami nakakasama kasi recently pa lang naayos yung passport ko and everything. But, sorry. May travel din sila itong Christmas. December 25, I think. Pero, sorry hindi kayo makasama because we have committed na our Christmas day sa mga Saragosa. So, ito gift sa kanila, it's not really that expensive. I mean, super social na mga friends namin dito, bumongin nila ng regalo usually. But, yun, kami, sakto lang naman kami. But I like to be thoughtful with my gift. So, since we like to travel and go on adventures, I got us, ito yung somebody. I got myself one. So, ito siya. So, there's gray and pink for the couples. And super cute talaga. When you open one, it's supposed to look like this. Tapos, all you have to do is like, ganyan siya. Tapos when you open it, and then you're gonna lock it. Tapos you just have to stretch it out like that. Oh my gosh, it is super duper useful, especially dun sa mga lugar na bawal nila ng water, tapos may water na doon. Or, actually, yung mga ginagawa nila to, wiwian din, may ganun din. But, for me, ako kasi talagang hindi ako pwedeng mawawala ng water. So, ganun din. So, siguro sa akin, gray will be for baby, tapos pink yung for kadiri ba? Ay, hindi, sorry, may disposable naman na pang wiwi. Ba't kailangan ganito? Kadire. Sorry. Meron pala kami binibili, especially when I got pregnant. Yun, bumili kami noon ng pee bag. This one, this one for drinking siya. And, di ba yun ang hassle? Kasi when we drink, or when we bring our tumblers with us, tapos sobrang bigat, tapos pag wala ng laman, bit pa rin siya. Pero ito, nag-fold mo siya even though you just have a small bag. Sobrang smart nito. I just hope na it will serve its purpose, hindi talaga siya mag-leak. Pero, yun nga, pwede naman siyang, even though naman may possibility siya mag-leak, I think it's still going to be helpful. Kasi, tawag dito, ang handy na yun. Ayan, nakagayon siya sa kamay mo. Yun sa palo. So yun, I got this, and I also got this one. I don't know kasi if ito naman, inflatable pillow. Isa rin sa essentials for me when traveling, kailangan ko talaga may pillow. So they can just like bring pillow cases or whatever. Or like a scarf to cover it. Pero how to inflate it is you just parang pipindutin lang to. Ganun siya. Tapos to deflate is this way. Ganun siya. Parang ganda. Kasi one of the I like this kasi I usually bring pillows para sa lahat sa amin. Tapos minsan nawawalan kami ng mga pillows. For the plane, actually even for the car. Pag sa car ako lang yung pillows talaga. Ano naman ngayon na nag-breastfeed ako kailangan talaga. And make it this small. Diba? Tinry ko rin kasi siya kasi baka napahiya ako. And I wanna know if it's really gonna make your life easier or not. Kailangan mo lang siyang pinutin talaga. Kailangan mo lang pinutin dito for like, ilang minutes lang naman. A few minutes. And then you're good. So cute. So, yan. I like that kasi after you use it, pwede mo na siya i-bag. Hindi siya mahuhulog-hulog kasi diba minsan sinasabit lang sa leeg or sinasabit sa maleta and then later on it falls down. Tapos dumi na. Ito hindi. Tapos parang meditative pa yung pag-inflate sa kanya. Parang it keeps you in the present moment or stress relieving siya. You have to open this one pagka you can pray or meditate or like ground yourself. It's your time. Pwede na distress, diba? You can distress with it. Yan siya. Anyway, deflate ko ulit. So yan, I'm happy with these. But I also got some pang prizes for the games. Yung mga pang prize na ako na pang mga games. Hindi ko pa na-finalize yung mga pang games. Yung activities kasi I want it to be siyempre mag-games pa rin kami yung mga usual na mga Christmas fun games. But I really want parang spy theme siya, ambition theme siya. Just like what I did for Zenia's birthday. Early this January. Speaking of, gusto ko nang ma-edit yung video talaga na yun. Ang dami ko mga pending videos na hindi ko na-upload. Pero ang dami ko talagang videos na magandang content. So there, I'm really tired right now. I think what I'm gonna do lang is I'm gonna rest na, maybe wash up, or I don't know, wala naman siguro na kaming lalakarin at this time. I think I have to wash up and then I have to prepare because tomorrow we have a client shoot. First client namin sa Mission Studios. And, ano ba? Yun, syempre kailangan ko ng energy for that. So, that's it. Let's see where we going. Ang hirap kasi I feel so heavy. I feel so sick. Sakit ng ulo. Parang akong lasing. Tapos, sungit-sungit ko na hindi naman natutuwa kasi nakakahiya din. Kaya ako sa mga anak ko. Kaya ako sa respect kasi sungit ako siya. Kasi kulit. And tapos, to call that, yun nga, I'm feeling so well. Kaya naman ako may period na rin sa pagin. So, there you have it. Cute to, di ba? May tumbler ka na sa bago. Yun lang kailangan may mahanap kang tubigan. Galing. Make sure lang you clean it very well, no? I mean, usually nilagay dito. Kung ano yung mga ano. Hindi mo dapat gawin with it. So there. Let's see how everything will go. But, I'm excited naman for everything. Pero sana lahat ay maging successful and ma-accomplish ko naman ng maayos, ng maganda. Because, magiging proud ako sa sarili ko. That's it muna. Ay, Merry Christmas! Advance Merry Christmas! Kami ka makakalabay.